What's up, motherfuckers? Welcome to Golden Nugget, Las Vegas. This is my favorite hotel in downtown. Let me show you around a bit. This is a 2-story loft suite. This place is pretty much like an apartment. Like it's got the downstairs, take a number 2, sneak off when your guests are up there, take a number 2 bathroom down here. You know what I'm saying? And then over this way you got the living room. It's perfect for after a long day in Vegas, walking around in the hot sun, you just want to relax. Maybe read a book, catch up on your favorite nature documentary, finish your knitting that you started before the trip. Whatever you want, really. Also the bar right here, I don't really drink or nothing, but I like a good spot of tea or, have a coffee, kind of where you wake up before you go hit the casino and whatnot. So it's a 2-story one, so you got the bedroom up here. The stairs, they double as a slide depending on how much you drink, so that's fun, right? Then we have the bedroom area. This is where the magic could or could not happen, depending on who you are. You got the TV here for when you lose all your money. Got the super comfy king bed. Pretty good size for you and all your friends. Then you got the cuckold couch over here, depending on your lifestyle. I'm not judging you. I'm not judging you at all. This is the washroom. Come check this out. This is a steam shower. It's really good, keeps you nice and moist in this dry desert. Moist. Got a room safe in here for all those valuable. Second bathroom right here. Las Vegas is tiring. It's a tiring place. The hotel room is supposed to be where you relax, So this is a real relaxing jacuzzi tub. You got the jets. Come in here again, finish your book that you started downstairs or whatever.
Subscribe, motherfucker!